Are you on the hunt for the best anti-aging serum to rejuvenate your skin and turn back the clock? Look no further than the vibrant powerhouse duo, the Vibrant C Serum and the Desert Vibe Serum. Both serums are microbiome-friendly, scientifically formulated, and packed with non-toxic ingredients to help you achieve a radiant, youthful glow. But which one works best for you? If you're looking for an anti-aging serum that brightens, firms, and protects your skin, the Vibrant C Serum is your go-to. This luxurious serum combines bioavailable vitamin C and glutathione to deliver unmatched antioxidant protection and skin rejuvenation. Glutathione helps reverse aging by protecting against oxidative damage, reducing wrinkles, and improving cell health, while amino acids like hydroxyproline, proline, lysine, and glycine work together to firm and plump your skin. What are the key benefits? Boosts collagen production, brightens and evens skin tone, detoxifies and supports elasticity, repair damaged skin and reduce scars, neutralizes free radicals with its antioxidant properties. Whether you're battling crow's feet, dark circles, or blemishes, Vibrant C Serum is a game changer for achieving youthful, glowing skin. For those seeking an anti-aging serum that focuses on deep hydration and skin barrier repair, the Desert Vibe Serum is a perfect match. This moisture-boosting serum is infused with science-backed ingredients like beta-glucan, Centella Asiatica, and Prickly Pear to restore your skin's natural balance and vitality. High in amino acids and vitamin K, Prickly Pear stimulates collagen production, promotes faster cell turnover, and contributes to skin elasticity, while Centella helps reduce signs of premature aging. What are the key benefits? Binds more moisture than hyaluronic acid, boosts skin immunity, reduces stress in the skin, encourages collagen regeneration, promotes wound healing, and reduces fine lines. If you're dealing with dry, mature skin or want to enhance your skin's natural glow, the Desert Vibe Serum is a must-try. Both serums promote gut-skin health and strengthen the mind-body connection, making them the best anti-aging serums for a holistic approach to skincare. All our products are designed to do more than just treat your skin. They work to slow down the aging process, assist in DNA repair, and promote overall wellness. Whether you choose the Vibrant C Serum or the Desert Vibe Serum, you're investing in medical-grade, nature-inspired skincare that delivers real results. Visit our web shop to find the best anti-aging serum for your needs.